today's video, I'm going to be going through some different Redbubble shops, giving them some advice on how they can improve their Redbubble shops. These are some of the people that I've actually helped through these videos that have started to get sales on Redbubble. So hopefully in this video, we can add some more people to the list. Hi guys, my name is Phil and welcome to the Money Game YouTube channel. For anyone that's new around here, I make print-on-demand content to both motivate and to give you guys tips and tricks on how you can improve your print-on-demand shops. If this is the first time you are stopping by, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on your notification bells, because I'm going to be bringing you guys a lot of content showing you guys how you can actually make some extra money online. And if you want to join the list of people that have started making money from watching these videos, make sure that you are part of the notification squad. For anyone that's currently grinding away, putting in effort to try to do whatever they can to make that extra money online, I have a free print-on-demand starter guide that's linked down in the description, so check that out. However, if you're someone that's looking to turn this into more of a full-time thing, I have a paid step-by-step course linked down in the description that will fast-track you to print-on-demand success. So in today's video of shop reviews, I'm mainly going to be looking out for 5 things. So that's what the person is actually doing well on the shop already that they need to keep doing, how many designs they have on the shop, so talking about whether they need more or whether they're doing more than enough, the shop design itself, so the branding on the shop, talking about the banner, the logo, the amount of activated products these shops actually have on them. There's actually hidden and secret products on Redbubble, so I'll be checking to see if these guys have found those items, and we'll also have a quick look at their tags to see if they're actually tagging in the right way. Let's get into the reviews. Okay, jumping straight into it, guys. We've got our first shop, as you guys can see on the screen, Smart Digital Payments, aka SD Payments. I love the banner, it looks professionally designed, and I like the logo as well. It matches really well with the banner. You can see the logo image there. It's also within the banner, which is great to see. This shop has 68 designs, so not quite on 100 yet. And for those who don't know, I always recommend you to hit at least 100 designs before even thinking of a sale, because if you can push to 100 designs, trust me, the success will come. You just need to stay patient. And as we go through the shop, I'm seeing a variation of designs and a variation of different front product images. Now, whoever runs this store, if you're struggling to get sales or if you're not getting as many sales as you want, the first thing you need to do is to pick a product you want to use as your front image, mainly because once you pick that one product, it'll kind of set the tone for the rest of your shop. Now, if you have no sales at all, I always recommend to create sticker packs or to use stickers as your front images. And once you start getting quite a lot of sales, then you can change to things like t-shirts or whichever product you see sell best for you. I did mention sticker packs and I can see one here, but one thing you need to try to do is implement a lot more sticker packs. I've actually spoke about sticker packs in another video. For anyone who's not watched it as of yet, it'll be linked down in the description. There's a lot of useful information in that video. As I look through the rest of your shop, once again, it's a mixture of products. This will kind of confuse the customer, will confuse people that are coming on your shop, because everything pretty much seems like it's all over the place. You need to set a tone. I see you have collections here, which is always good to see. You just need to pretty much work on setting a tone for your shop. I'm just going to click on the clock just to have a look at how you title things, your tags, and how many products you actually have activated. And let's have a quick look. So the title obviously is in relation to the clock itself, Smart Digital Payments. And as we go through, I'm gonna see the products. So the products I'm seeing here, it says plus 77. So this isn't activated on everything. Usually when you hit everything, it's around the 80 mark or 84 product mark. So check to see if you have the hidden items, the secret products activated as well. Always try to aim between 10 to 20 tags. The closer to 20 you can get, the better. So that's one tip just to bear in mind. But besides that, I like what you've done in regards to the logo and the banner. You just need to apply that kind of same mentality to giving your shop a more consistent look. So you can do this by applying stickers as your front product images at first, and then over time you can change to other products once you start to get sales. The next shop of the episode, we have Njaji Joy. I hope I've said that correctly. The banner, as you guys can see there, is some tree logs, which is fairly interesting. It's Pretty cool though, and I can see in terms of the profile picture, it's just a picture of herself. And as we go through the shop, I'm seeing 103 designs, so she's over the 100 mark. Always good to see that. In terms of products that are showing as the front images, there's a variation. I'm seeing a travel mug, I'm seeing jumpers, I'm seeing pillows. Once again, there's a variation of different products. I would recommend you start off once again by using stickers. So try your best to just put stickers as your front images, because if you're struggling to get sales, they will help you to boost your sales a lot quicker. And one thing you want to do to be more competitive within your store is to create sticker packs. For example, this Roses Classic t-shirt, it's shown here as a t-shirt, but if this was on a sticker pack and it was at separate roses, you never know, it could increase your chances of selling it compared to what it's listed as at the moment. I like the fact that you're using things like masks as well. Masks have been performing quite well recently, but once again, you need to take advantage of using stickers and create more sticker packs, as that will allow your shop to be successful a little bit quicker than it would have been otherwise. Now I'm just going to go on a random design of yours and we'll have a quick look to see how you've gone about the titling and the tags. Now you've titled this Gym King, and it's a greeting card. Greetings cards, for those who don't know, are really good to sell on Redbubble. Not a lot of people go into a lot of the bigger niches with greetings cards, so they're always good to take advantage of. And as I scroll further down, I can see that you have this activated on 77 products. Once again, you want to get to the 84 mark, so it's always good to check to see what you don't have activated. Activating everything is the way forward. And as I get to the tags, I am seeing a few tags. There's not a lot. I think there's about 9 tags there. You want to aim for 10 to 20 tags, as I always say, mainly because that allows the Redbubble algorithm to pick you up a lot better. I mean, from trial and error, that's what I've noticed works best. So try that, and also focus on trying to implement things like sticker packs within your shop. I like the fact that you're over 100 designs though, so keep it up, and you never know, you start to receive consistent sales sooner than you think. We have Boss Bubble. I like the play on Redbubble. I like what they did there. The banner and the logo go together. They've got similar colors, as you can see on both. They have 172 designs, which is always good to see. And I'm liking what I'm seeing already in the featured collection. I'm seeing a Christmas collection with Christmas cards, sticker packs. Q4 is upon us. We are in it. You need to be creating things like Christmas cards, as if you can find a trend or a niche to link to a Christmas card, you can surprise yourself with the sales that you could end up getting. So get on that as soon as you can. As I go into the shop, I am seeing scalable designs on there. So they've got straight out of 2020, straight out of America. Now this is a very, very scalable designs. You can put straight out of a lot of places. So I like the fact that I'm seeing them there. As we go through, I'm seeing sticker packs. Sticker packs are always good to see. Greetings cards. I'm gonna have a quick look at the title tags and how many products they have activated before, you know, I set my mind on the fact that they should be getting sales quickly, and we'll go from there. So there's a sticker pack here, cute and offensive Santa snowball sticker pack. Well, if the keywords that have been used in this title are in relation to things that are trending in sub niches of Christmas, then they've done a good job there. They've got this available on, I'm seeing 93 products, so it's on everything, so that is good to see. Tag wise, they've not gone too deep into the tag, but in tags I'm seeing things here like sweaters. You don't want to put anything like sweaters in your tags, mainly because when it comes to all the products that Redbubble creates, they also have the product tags. For example, here we're on stickers, so they'll have the same words you have here with stickers there, so you don't have to be adding keywords or tags like stickers. Besides that, I like what you've done here. You just need to apply this exact method to all your other designs. Keep making sure that you're using the right amount of tags. Keep posting designs. The closer we get to Christmas, the more and more you start to see that you get sales on your shop. And also keep me updated on the comments of this video as well. I'm very interested to see how well this shop does go on to perform. On to our next shop, we have Just Bite It, and the banner as well. Looks pretty cool. Hello, my name is Sheila. Welcome to my shop. Looks very professionally made. I like the feel of it. And then for the logo, she's just got an image of, I'm guessing it's herself. Design wise, I'm seeing 57 designs. Once again, do your best to aim to push for that 100 design mark. You've got masks there. I'm seeing greetings cards. I'm seeing sticker packs. And I mean, so far so good. There's things that masks on your shop. You've got a variation of products. I'm seeing more sticker packs, quotes from the Bible, a lot of things that could potentially do quite well on your shop. I am just gonna go on the Christmas card, just to have a quick look how you're actually titling this. And you've titled this Christmas tree decoration gift wrapper, okay, and then obviously greetings card. When it comes to titling, especially Christmas related things, you wouldn't have to put anything there or in the title. For example, wrapper, like you don't have to put wrapper in the title. I mean, it would still get found depending on the tags you do go on to use. And from what you used here, I'm seeing there's a lot of tags here that could potentially work for you. Once again, I always recommend stick between 10 to 20 tags. I'm not counting through all the tags, but it looks like it might just be past that. So yeah, you might just have to slightly reduce your tags. If you are within 10 to 20 tags, then obviously that looks great. And as for how many products you have activated, I'm seeing activated on 87 products. Now, Redbubble, I'm just remembering they've been adding a lot of new products as well. So it's always good to get checking on your designs that are getting the most traction and making sure that you have the new products enabled as well, because a lot of the times they add new products, they don't automatically get enabled, which is a bit of a pain, but that's something you guys have to try and stay on top of if you want to increase the chances of you getting sales. And then finishing off, we have Pretty 786, and she doesn't have a banner on her shop, and she's just got a logo of herself. Now, if you do have the time to create a banner, it's always good. Create one, put it out there. It just adds that little extra touch to your shop. It just makes it look a bit more nice, a bit more professional. It's what you want. At the end of the day, you want to treat this like a business, because you will be earning money from this. And I'm seeing you've got 134 designs uploaded onto the shop, which is always really good to see. There's a variation of stickers. I'm seeing masks, got pattern related designs. This is somewhat a sticker pack, but there's only 2 images on it. I would always recommend to have at least 4 images on a sticker pack. And you've got more masks, scalable design I'm seeing there, straight out 2020, which is always good to see. And now I'm seeing the juicy stuff. I'm seeing the sticker packs. That is what we like to see. I'm gonna in fact click on one of the sticker packs, and we'll have a quick look to see how you've gone about the titling. So you've titled it simply Sweets Addiction. By the way, I don't know why the images aren't popping up when I select them. I don't know why that's happening, because I've noticed it's happened with a few of the shops I've been going on. Nevertheless, I'll keep scrolling. I'm seeing this is available on 93 plus products, so they've activated this on everything, which is good to see. Finally, I'm seeing all product tags, and they have quite a few product tags in there, but the tags don't look like they're more than 20, which is good to see. And just from quick glance, the tags are in relation to what she's created in regard to the sticker packs, so it's good to see. But the only thing I'd recommend is when it comes to tags, for example, like donuts, candy, cream, sugar, delicious, you want to kind of sub niche into them. So when you search, for example, cupcake or sugar on Redbubble, see what Redbubble kind of suggests as sub niches and go a little bit further into them, and that will allow you to kind of niche down even further. That is it for today's episode of Shop Reviews. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you got any sort of value from this, a like rating would be very much appreciated. Once again, if you're someone that's looking to have their shop submitted, the way to do that is by sending me a direct message through Instagram. My Instagram will be linked down below. If you've made it to this point of the episode, down in the comment section, comment down more reviews, because this is the first review in a while, and I just want to see if you guys want to keep seeing more of these. But most importantly, always remember that everything is rigged in your favor, and manifest success.